Shippers on the Rhine have been watching these numbers for weeks on the gauge of Kaub, and it says now 10 centimeters, which means that the waterway is around 120, and this is an absolute historic low, and it also means that most ships can't pass. The ferry has also stopped operating due to the low water level. Meteorologists say it's being caused by a lack of glacial water from the Alps and extremely hot weather caused by climate change.
My God.
I thought this morning, oh my God, where is this going? And the driest period is yet to come in autumn. By then, we can ride camels here.
The Rhine is one of Europe's most important arteries, transporting around 500 million tons of cargo each year. In recent weeks, ships have been reducing their weight to just 20% to be able to pass. That means they need 5 ships to transport the same amount of cargo, leading to sharp price hikes. But for most ships, that's no longer enough. Usually here at Kaub, around 300 vessels pass the Rhine here every day, and now it's absolute silence. River transport has come to a standstill. Even with reduced loads, these cargo ships can't pass anymore. So what is happening with the goods they're normally transporting? Chemicals, fuel, containers. Goods from Antwerp, Rotterdam can still be taken to ports in Duisburg, Düsseldorf, Cologne, but more upstream from Kaub to Ludwigshafen, Karlsruhe and onwards to Basel in Switzerland is now nearly impossible, causing serious supply problems for factories and power plants. With the Rhine now virtually cut in two at Kaub, companies must find alternative ways of transportation. Here, around 200 kilometers downstream, at the Rhine port in Duisburg, water levels are still sufficient for ships to arrive. And what's happening here is that goods from bigger ships are loaded onto smaller ships or onto trucks to be transported overland.
One big river ship usually taking 5,000 tons now maybe takes 1,000 tons to Duisburg. We need around 40 trucks to transport this, so it's impossible to replace the volumes a river ship can carry with trucks.
He hopes governments see the drought as a wake-up call to build flatter ships and deepen waterways in the hopes of adapting shipping on the Rhine River to the effects of climate change. Vaessen, Jazeera, Kaub.